뒤 이빨 드러났어 지금.
Hey, don't do that.
60불 해서.
Full nature will financial success.
What?
I don't want to ruin anything.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
Hello. 두 개밖에 없네.
두 개밖에 없어 메이플. 더 없나 물어볼까? 메이플 두 개밖에 없네.
I could get a dozen donut.
Anything else?
Frosted with sprinkles, and then 2 regular chocolate frosted, 2 cream delight.
Sure, I guess the tour group shirts do kind of look alike. Following.
You're not following? You two have been together forever.
I mean, 5 years is forever.
And he wants you to come all of a sudden. The man is clearly putting a ring on it.
Traveling a lot more. So that means for my I'll travel to Rome last year, and I had no idea who most of them were. But it actually ended up being one of my favorite trips of all time. It was
맛있어.
different to try.
It's good.
엄청 달아?
Very chocolatey.
엄청 달다.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away.
많이 나오네.
It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me.
저희 아파트 안에 강아지 공원이 따로 있는데 뭐 공원이라고 하긴 좀 그렇고 그냥 작은 운동장 같은 게 있거든요. 잔디밭. 거기 지금 강아지 소리가 들려서 듀이랑 한번 나가보려고요. Sorry. 듀이, come here. 듀이. 이렇게 맞아. 어떡해, 이게. 쟤 화났어. 화났어? 쟤 화났어. 어떡해. 냄새 맡는다, 그지?
What's his name? Reed?
듀이. 듀이 이빨 드러냈어, 지금.
Hey, hey, hey. Dewey.
듀이 이빨.
Dewey, don't do that.
엎드렸어. 엎드렸잖아, 듀이. 듀이 봐봐. 친구 봐봐. 엎드렸네. 듀이. 화났어? 무서웠어?
Oh, Dewey. Dewey. Oh, oh, oh.
듀이.
It's okay.
오이, 잘했어.
Dewey?
Some more. It's okay. Yeah, good job. Good job.
도망가.
He's like, okay, bye. You wanna go see some friends? Make some friends?
너무 귀엽다.
Like he's curious, but he's also like very like aware.
Yeah.
Come here, 듀이, come here.
Okay.
듀이, come here.
There you go.
오, 듀이.
Rabies vaccine. Did we have any concerns since the last time we saw Dewey?
No.
Hey guys,
Hey.
how are ya?
Good.
Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Hey, Dewey. It's been a minute. Oh, you got so big here. Oh my goodness. We still have some puppy teeth, but we're getting our adults in here.
Mm-hmm.
We will have the full adult set by about 6 months old.
Okay.
How much are we feeding him?
About 300 grams a day.
Okay, let's go up a little more. Let's do like 400 if we can.
400.
He's just a little lean. It's not bad, like it's not too thin at all, but he's just kind of getting to the point where I think. Boy.
웬일 이렇게 얌전해?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You moving out for the good.
Are there many dogs who don't go for the cheese?
Rarely, yes.
Okay. Oh, man.
Oh my goodness. Good boy.
Wow.
It's gonna go up his nose. This is the bordetella.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. I would give you a treat, but you don't want any. Okay, so we.
저희는 지금 듀이 백신을 맞고 판다의 저녁을 픽업하러 왔어요. 백신을 오늘 맞은 게 라인 50불, DHLPP 요게 한 40불, 레비스가 30불 고 듀이 변 검사를 또 해서 평일에 갖다 줘야 되거든요. 그게 60불. 닥터 메디컬 프로그레스 뭐 이렇게 보는 게 60불 해서 250불이 나왔습니다. 듀이 잘했어. 와 아빠 왔어, 듀이. 듀이가 냄새를 맡는 그곳. 그렇지. 오.
The best one.
그게 베스트야?
Sweet fire.
어.
There you go.
야, 귀여운 판다. 이거 이따 또 열어봐야지.
Feelings and not sugarcoat or change anything based off of how.
뭐래?
And I was like, I just looked at his face.
그지?
I'm tired just as much as you are. I gotta go into the office. I want to be with somebody that is like driven.
Married, like, what would we do? I feel like it would be hard to like go back to living like separately.
Yeah, I definitely would. I think it would be very low.
내 거 더 먹어.
I don't want that. Anyway, I bring that up a lot. Kind of like was a hurtful thing, I'm sure.
Careful nature will bring you financial success.
What?
아니야, 듀이가 다 뺏어가.
If she did not truly love you.
내 거 열어줘.
이유가 열어야지.
You are destined for continued good health and happiness. Health and happiness? Hey. 언니 둘 다 우리가 원하는 거 나왔어. 나는 요 health and happiness 원했잖아. 얘는 financial success 원하고.